Hello friends, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. Today I have some PR sent to me by Nail Reserve LA, which means I'll be swatching these new colors and creating a simple nail set. So come on in, sit back, relax, remember to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials if you haven't already. And let's get on with the video. So Nail Reserve LA sent me 6 different colors and I was able to choose which ones I wanted. I chose these colors based on certain ideas I had in my head. These gel polishes are vegan, so if that interests you, you should definitely check them out. I'll have a link in the description as well as my code for 50% off if you use the code Nails by Ray. now that I finished swatching all the colors, this is what they look like, and I did 2 coats for each just so you can see how it builds up. And these are super thick, but not too thick. They're easy to work with, and even after the first coat you can see how pigmented each color is. It's pigmented enough where you can honestly just use 1 coat. You don't need to do 2. But they're just so strong and they cure really well as well. They don't crinkle around the corners, which is something I've always had an issue with when it came to thicker gel polishes. So this is perfect. I did go ahead and put some gel top coat to give it that extra shine, but now that we've swatched all the colors, we're gonna get into my simple nail set. So the first color I'm using is iced coffee, and I have my nail tips glued down on my right hand, and you can see that there's some color to it. I did use a color of my own that I have, and I wanted to compare the pigment to the nail reserve color, and it's just so sheer, which is not what I wanted for this look. So then I just layered the iced coffee shade on top, and it was perfect. Aside from the 6 colors, Nail Reserve also sent me a matte top coat, so I'm going to be using this to matte my nails. I prefer to draw French tip or any nail art designs with a matte base. That's just my preference, so I'm going to matte coat this. Cure that under my nail lamp for about 60 seconds, which is good enough for all their gel polishes. And then I'll continue with the next part of my set. Since I'm doing a French tip design, I'm using the color White Reserve and I'm adding that to my mixing plate. I'm going to use my nail art brush and draw the French tip on. So this is what the nails look like after I finish the French tip. I added some base coat to protect the French tip underneath because I thought I was going to do a design, but then I decided to keep them simple. So even though they're shiny, this is just a base coat. I'm going to go in with a no wipe top coat just to seal in the design and make it nice and glossy. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and thank you Nail Reserve for sending me these products. I think they came out really nicely. I will have another video out using their products again because I'm already ideating different things to do. But I hope you guys loved how these nails came out, and if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.